Hi, I'm Dan Markovitz, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in Sao Paulo in April. On April 4th, I'm going to be giving a keynote talk based on my Shingo Research Award-winning book, The Factory of One, and I'll be talking about how you can use lean principles and apply it to your own work, not just the processes that you work in, but to your own work to reap the same benefits of shorter lead times, faster throughput, and higher quality. And then on April 5th, I'm going to be doing a half-day workshop on this book where we're going to dive more deeply into the techniques that you can use to improve your own work. And I'll also be doing a half-day workshop for my other Shingo Prize-winning book, Building the Fit Organization. We're going to talk about how to use words and examples and metaphors and stories about using lean without using Toyota examples, because a lot of companies don't really want to hear about Toyota anymore. So we'll be using language that I think will resonate with your people in a way that it might not currently. So if you're having problems with your lean journey right now or getting people to buy in, I think that this might be a beneficial workshop for you. I look forward to seeing you in April. Bye-bye.